In a tranquil valley nestled among towering mountains, there lived a wise sage named Master Takeshi. People from far and wide sought his counsel, hoping to gain insight into the mysteries of the mind and unlock its full potential. One day, a curious traveler named Hiroshi journeyed to the valley, eager to learn from Master Takeshi. Hiroshi asked, "Master Takeshi, is it true that we use only a fraction of our brain's potential? Can you teach me how to tap into the remaining 90%? Master Takeshi smiled gently and invited Hiroshi to sit beneath a great oak tree, surrounded by the soothing sounds of nature. He began to share his wisdom. "Hiroshi," he said, "the idea that we use only a fraction of our brain's potential is a common misconception. The mind is a vast and intricate landscape, and it is not about using more of it, but about using it more effectively." Hiroshi listened with great interest as Master Takeshi continued. 1. Clarity of mind. The first step to unlock the mind's potential is to cultivate clarity. Free your mind from cluttered thoughts and distractions. Meditation and mindfulness can help you achieve this state of mental clarity. 2. Focused attention. The second key is focused attention. When you direct your mind's focus on a specific task or goal, you can tap into its full power. Avoid multitasking, as it divides your mental energy. 3. Continuous learning. The third method is to embrace a mindset of continuous learning. The more you feed your mind with knowledge and experiences, the more you expand its horizons. 4. Creativity and imagination. Unlock the creative potential of your mind through imagination. Allow your thoughts to roam freely, explore new ideas, and think outside the box. Creativity is a powerful tool. 5. Inner harmony. Lastly, seek inner harmony and balance. When your mind, body, and spirit are in alignment, you can harness your full potential. Practices like yoga and deep breathing can help achieve this harmony. Hiroshi diligently practiced these teachings, dedicating himself to cultivating clarity, focus, continuous learning, creativity, and inner harmony. As time passed, he found that he was not using more of his brain but using it more effectively. He realized that the mind's potential was not limited by a specific percentage but rather by one's willingness to explore its depths and utilize its abilities in a mindful and purposeful way.